Hey guys, sorry I had some technical difficulties after the stream getting my mic to record, so I didn't get this pre-market update out into the Discord as early as I'd have liked. Um, Plan on the day coming in was essentially looking at zones, playing the zones. So if I was going to draw an arrow, I'd pretty much have you looking from 40 to like 60, and then maybe an extension to the top of that range. You'd have a couple tests up here. And then if I was playing the range, I'd be shorting from into here to the top of this zone, back down to the bottom of the zone. So it's kind of one of those things where there's opportunity to trade the overnight range again as much as there was to play the breakout. My base case coming in was to continue playing this shorter range. Caught it overnight, caught it in the pre-market. Today, though, I just have a feeling we're going to get in here, and the thing to watch is volatility. Does vol come down? For a while there, VIX was actually trying to like break out of 21, and has since rejected, and every time it rejects, we kind of get these little pops back up since the market opened. So really keeping a close eye on that to see where the day shakes out. There is obviously kind of some thin positioning yet again on the day. My guess is they're probably going to try to stack it overhead. So these positions might change, but they have to prove it. That's been the theme all week. If the market is strong, they have to prove it because they're selling everything above us in large numbers. So something we'll have to keep an eye on. But I think if you're bullish, you just want to see that breakout that holds and then accelerates further. But my base case coming in on the day was just, if we don't get that breakout, we'll range to come back to this lower balance and then could potentially even stick around it here around 7,100-ish. But it seems like the market has some legs and is trying to play defense and keep trying to break out higher. So see what we get. I think if we do get any selling back down through this range, the thing I'd be watching as we approach the 7,100 or like 7,135 zone on ES would be, what is volatility doing? Is it ramping? Is it trying to break over 21 on the future side? As a hint to see, can we actually extend the range lower? But my guess is it's going to kind of chop us to death. The straddle started at 35 for the expected move to start the day, and I believe it's already down 10 to 12 points. So just keep your head on a swivel. If we do get a breakout, I think I'd be looking at like 60-ish to kind of be maybe a good trim spot, and see if you get that extension higher to 75, which has been kind of a key strike to the upside. That's been hanging out up there if we do get a breakout higher. So yeah, trade safe, and we'll check in later.